Okay, now I'm going to make the case with that is going to be the with the baffles. Okay, so first thing is that I'm going to copy this file and paste over here and rename the file by adding the name as the baffles. Okay, and double click to open the file. Okay, so now because the baffle we are going to make is inside uh, the the bigger domain or the upper domain, which is the tank domain. So the first thing is that I will choose the design menu, and from design menu we are going to create a one plane on the top. And now just move this plane slightly upward so that this will be outside the geometry right now we have. So if we make the geometry exactly on this surface, this will be part of that surface, and that we don't want to do right now because we have to make many steps. So this will may destroy geometry we have right now. So after finishing the part of the impeller geometry, the baffle geometry, then we can make the part of the tank geometry here. So that's why I'm making separately. And go to sketching mode and click on the locate. And here you can, just display this tank. Okay, so what we are going to do is that I'm going to make a line like this. Okay. And this tank diameter is a 180 millimeter, and the baffle length we are going to make is 15 millimeter. So it means that we have to make a circle that is going to be that in diameter is equal should be equal to 130 millimeter in diameter. So we should be having gap of the 15 millimeter. So 130 millimeter. Okay, so now this is a 130 millimeter. And I'm going to now copy this line upward by 1.5 millimeter distance, that is equal to 1.5. So you have to press the control key. And why 1.5? Because I will copy 1.5 on the upper side and 1.5 on the bottom side. So this will make the thickness of the baffle is equal to 3 millimeter. So now move this one. If this is not allowing you to move, then second option is that you can copy it. So control and move with the mouse, and then from keyboard type 1.5 and press enter key. Okay, now we have to use the trim tool, and I will be trimming the geometry here, here, and here, and the middle end should be go away. Okay, and similarly I'm going to make one more circle, and that circle will be outside the diameter of the tank, can be anywhere. Okay, so again I will use a trim tool, and also use a trim tool here. And now you have to end the sketching mode and go to 3D mode. So this is like now we have the geometry right now. So why we made the circular? Because this will, when we make the fillet on the bottom side, this will not make any issue with the geometry right now here. So now first thing where we are going to do is that we have to make this fillet removed, and this will now again will be back to its original shape of the straight tank. Okay, so now I'm going to use the pull command, and here I am going to pull this downwards, and at the same time I will use a cut option. Okay, so either you click on no merge and then make the solid body and then use the combine command, or you can do it in the single step by using cut option. So drag it downwards, and you can see that we have the now baffle is made. Okay, so now this baffle we are going to copy. So first thing is that we have to select this face and hide. Okay, now select this geometry, and then click on the move command and go to this option over here. And then you have to use a pattern command, create patterns, and then use this tool to make the 4 copies. So make the count is equal to 4. So by typing 90 degrees, you can make the count is equal to 4. Okay. Okay, now baffle is made, so now you can change the color to the, you can make it transparent. Okay, now you have to, like we have to hide the walls here so that we can select the edges on the bottom of the tank. Select faces and then hide. Okay, so I'm going to make the fluid on these 4 edges, not on the baffles, only on these 4 edges. And use the pull command, and then the option for the fillet is automatically selected, the round option, and slightly make the radius here, and then type it from the keyboard 15 millimeter 15. Okay, so this will make exactly on this baffle also. So this baffle will be going through this line, because we made this little round here. That's why this is a part of the tank bottom face. Okay, so this is a little technique that you apply. You will be getting the very nicely fitted geometry together. So we have now made the baffles also. So only thing that we have to do right now is that we have to put the name for the baffle. So choose these 4 baffles. And put the name as the baffle, simple. Okay, and also you can change the color to some different color here, and you can also make the body as the solid or the opaque. So I'm talking about the visibility, not the body. Body is solid right now, but I'm talking about the visibility of the body. So right now this is like we have the 2 formats in the, generally speaking, solid view and the wireframe. So but here we have the different options like transparent and opaque. So I'm saying that we are now making the body as a opaque. Okay, and now display all the parts of the outer domain. So show all faces, and you can also display the inner domain. And now let's make these bodies, these surfaces transparent. And you can hide these surfaces. And this is the now final geometry with the baffles. So the next step is to create the meshing here. Okay, so now take it to the fluent meshing. So watertight geometry workflow from the workbench menu, and simply click over here. Click on start. And you can see the geometry that right now we have here. Definitely we have the now baffle. So now point is that I want to be putting the same sizes as we did for the baffles without baffles.